Now this is a model that gives us a live and detailed demonstration of an earthquake taking place. Here the thermocole acts as tectonic plates that make up our earth. These plates move continuously, but we generally do not feel it on the crust. However, due to friction, these plates may get stuck, but they still keep pushing towards each other, thus creating pressure. This pressure may unleash suddenly and cause the plates to move very fast. Like this, the earthquake occurs and it damages property as well as life.